We all know that nature can be full of surprises. Sometimes it creates something beautiful, but other times it destroys it ruthlessly. Right now, yellowtv presents some moments you've probably never seen before. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more incredible moments. Indonesia's Mori VA volcano erupted, sending ash nearly 10,000 feet into the air and injuring several climbers. 2 hiking routes were closed, and residents within 3 kilometers of the crater were advised to stay away. Search and rescue teams were deployed to save stranded climbers, with some hospitalized due to burns and one with a broken limb.
Erupsi.
The eruption created ash clouds that blocked sunlight and covered nearby villages. Authorities distributed masks and protective eyewear to residents. The Mori VA volcano, one of over 120 active volcanoes in Indonesia, is part of the seismically active Pacific Ring of Fire. No fatalities were reported. Just as this paraglider was gearing up for a smooth takeoff, a dust devil swooped in and said, "Mind if I cut in?" turning their flight prep into an impromptu spin class in Manila.
The side.
Krakatoa's at it again, putting on a fiery show that's impossible to miss. This volcano knows how to make an explosive statement.
Yeah, you see it changed. Yes, another explosion. So there is a cord out of the crater, I think.
The storm hit with full force. This mom's instincts kicked in immediately. She grabbed her daughter and made a quick escape just in time to avoid the shattered glass and chaos. When the local river gets a little too friendly and decides to take a tour of the town, hope everyone brought their waterproof boots. The tornado looks like it's trying to cosplay as a giant cotton candy machine gone haywire. It's sweet to look at, but there's definitely a tornado surprise brewing in there. That cloud looks like the sky is wrapping itself in a cozy blanket, getting ready for bed, but it seems like its dream is about to turn into a wild storm. A stunning dance of starlings against a purple-pink sunset sky. The birds move in perfect harmony, forming smooth, cloud-like shapes in the peaceful air. Nature is putting on a mesmerizing performance, creating a living work of art. When their office space suddenly decides it's time to get groovy, even the printer can't resist moving to the beat. I bet the chairs are just seconds away from forming a conga line.
Oh my God.
Looks like the storm decided to give the warehouse roof a test flight. Maybe it was just checking if it met aviation standards. This dog isn't just weathering the storm, he's making it his playground. Forget tennis balls. This pup has discovered the joy of catching hailstones straight from the sky.
We'll no longer have a backyard.
This is awesome.
Fishing for lightning? These anglers got more than they bargained for when a bolt decided to join the trip. Talk about electrifying the experience. This sandstorm is like a giant curtain, turning Suez into a mysterious oasis in the middle of a sea of sand. It's as if the desert decided to play a little hide-and-seek with the city. Today's not a day for sunbathing. Instead, enjoy those sky-falling ice cubes, adding a little extra crunch to your summer cocktail by the pool. They say you need to visit a water park for thrills. Just come to Kumanakoa during flood season, and you'll get a real-life adventure like no other.